Good morning, students. We are on chapter number 2 of part 2, Accounting for Debentures. Today in this lecture, we are going to solve sum number 11, which is given on page number 113. This is our sum. Adinath Limited purchased machinery worth rupees 18 lakh from Shikhar Machinery Limited on 10/9/2017. Rupees 3 lakh were paid immediately and balance was paid by issue of 15,80,000 9% debentures, issue of rupees 15,80,000 9% debentures in Adinath Limited. Pass necessary journal entries in the books of Adinath Limited. What else? If for the balance amount Adinath pays rupees 14,10,000 by 9% debentures, then how will they write journal entry? Friends, here machinery is purchased for 18 lakh. Against that, rupees 3 lakh is immediately paid. So the balance amount is rupees 15 lakh, and for 15 lakh company has issued debentures of rupees 15,80,000, and another condition they have given us, that what if company pays debentures of rupees 14,10,000. So two different conditions are given. We will be passing entry for both the different conditions, but that will be for balance payment. First of all, we will pass entry for buying the machinery and for payment of rupees 3 lakh. So we very well know it's machinery, it is asset comes in, so it is debited, and the person from whom we have purchased, he is a giver, so his account will be credited. Here machinery is an asset, so machinery account will be debited, and Shikhar Machinery Limited account will be credited because Shikhar Machinery Limited is the giver for rupees 18 lakh. Okay, so here the entry is sum number 11, journal entries in the books of Adinath Limited. First entry on 10/9/2017, machinery account debit to Shikhar Machinery Limited, 18 lakh being machinery purchased from Shikhar Machinery Limited. Okay friends, now after buying this, we will give entry for the payment. For the payment, how much? 3 lakh which is paid in cash. So this is the entry, Shikhar Machinery Limited account debit to bank account 3 lakh. If you want, you can pass a combined entry for these first two entries, and the entry will be machinery account debit 18 lakh to bank account 3 lakh to Shikhar Machinery account 15 lakh. That way also it can be done, or this way you can do. These are two separate entry. Instead of two separate entry, you can pass a combined entry. Okay, now friends, let us talk about the balance payment. We can clearly see the balance payment is due rupees 15 lakh, and it is given company issued debentures of rupees 15,80,000 for the balance payment. So friends, here Shikhar Machinery amount due is rupees 15 lakh, but against that the debentures are issued of rupees 15,80,000. So let us try to write this entry. If we write this entry, the entry will be like Shikhar Machinery Limited account debit. We will be debiting Shikhar Machinery here with rupees 15 lakh only, because only 15 lakh are due to be paid to them, right? To 9% debentures account 15 lakh 80,000, because debentures are issued of rupees 15 lakh 80,000. So here what will be there? That debit and credit amounts are not same. Debit it is 15 lakh, credit it is 15 lakh 80,000. That means these debentures are issued at discount of rupees 80,000. Okay friends, so rupees 80,000 will be debited to discount on debentures. Okay, so finally our entry will be Shikhar machinery account debit 15 lakh, discount on debentures account debit 80,000 to 9% debentures account 15 lakh 80,000. Being issue of debentures of rupees 15 lakh 80,000 against balance amount of rupees 15 lakh. Okay friends, so these three entries we will have to pass. First for buying the machinery, second for payment in cash, and third for balance payment by debentures. Now friends, in the same sum it is written, what if company issue debentures of rupees 14 lakh 10,000 for the balance payment. Here we have pass entry for the debentures of rupees 15 lakh 80,000. But what if the company is issuing debentures of rupees 14 lakh 10,000? This is the next condition for the same sum. So for that the first and second entry will remain same. This third entry will change. What is the condition? If Adinath Limited pays 9% debentures for balance payment, balance amount. Now friends, our entry will be like this: Shikhar Machinery Limited account debit 15 lakh to 9% debentures account 14 lakh 10,000. Again here the total is not same. Debit side is 15 lakh, credit side is 14 lakh 10,000. What does this indicate to us? Friend, this indicate to us that debentures of 14 lakh 10,000 are issued for rupees 15 lakh. That means debentures of 14 lakh 10,000 are issued at a premium of rupees 90,000. Okay friends, so 90,000 will be the security premium for the same. So finally our entry will be Shikhar Machinery Limited account debit 15 lakh to 9% debentures account 14 lakh 10,000 to security premium reserve account 90,000. Being issue of 9% debentures of rupees 14 lakh 10,000 against balance amount of rupees 15 lakh. So this was all about sum number 11. In next lecture we will be doing sum number 12. Thank you.